Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC08. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson DC08 is making a funny smell while cleaning, it could be a sign of a motor issue or clogged filters. This problem can arise from dust and debris buildup, which can cause the motor to overheat. If left unchecked, it may not only affect the performance of your vacuum but could also lead to more severe damage, requiring costly repairs or even replacement. Now, let's gather the tools needed for this repair. You'll need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, new filters, and a pair of scissors for any necessary cable adjustments. Make sure you have everything ready before starting. To begin the repair, firstly, ensure that your vacuum is unplugged for safety. Using the appropriate screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located at the back and sides of the Dyson DC08. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing to expose the internal components. With the casing removed, locate the motor, which is typically situated near the center of the unit. You may notice some dust accumulation around it, which is often the culprit for that strange smell. To extract the motor, disconnect the wires by gently pulling on the connectors. Be cautious not to pull too hard, as this may damage the surrounding components. Next, remove any screws securing the motor in place and carefully lift it out. When installing the new motor, ensure you line it up correctly and reattach the screws firmly. Reconnect the wires, making sure they are secure and properly seated. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, it's time to replace the filters. Remove the old filters and replace them with the new ones, following the instructions provided with your replacement parts. After everything is securely in place, carefully reattach the casing of the Dyson, making sure it fits snugly. Replace the screws to secure the casing, ensuring not to over-tighten them to avoid damaging the plastic. Finally, plug in your Dyson DC08 and turn it on to check if the funny smell is gone and that it's functioning properly. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean and replace the filters as recommended by the manufacturer. Additionally, periodically check the motor and internal components for any dust buildup. This will help maintain the performance of your Dyson and extend its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.